Have you accidentally turned on TalkBack on your Samsung phone and now want to turn off TalkBack? Well, no more worries. In this video, I'll demonstrate you how to turn off TalkBack on your phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To do that, swipe down with 2 fingers from the top of the screen to open the quick setting panel. Then single tap on the settings icon from the top to select it. Now double tap on the settings icon. Again, use your 2 fingers to scroll down. Find the accessibility, single tap to select it. Then again, double tap on it. Here, you will find the TalkBack option. Now tap to select it, and then double tap to open this setting. Now tap on Select. Then double tap on the toggle. At the bottom, you'll find a pop-up. Now tap on Turn Off to select it first. After that, double tap on it. And your TalkBack is now turned off. Alright everyone, that's how you turn off TalkBack on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks a lot.